Welcome to this captivating exploration into the potential existence of the Megalodon, an ancient leviathan that once ruled the seas. Join us on this extended journey as we delve into the intriguing evidence suggesting that the Megalodon may still roam the depths of our oceans. Prepare to embark on a remarkable quest as we uncover the secrets of this enigmatic megapredator. The Megalodon, an awe-inspiring creature, inhabited our planet approximately 23 million years ago. With a staggering length of up to 60 feet and weighing around 100 tons, this colossal shark was unrivaled in its power and prowess. Regrettably, the Megalodon vanished from our oceans around 2.6 million years ago, leaving behind a legacy of awe and wonder. Astonishingly, there exists a compelling body of evidence supporting the notion of a living Megalodon persisting in the present era. Fossilized Megalodon teeth, discovered in relatively recent sediment layers, hint at the possibility that this majestic species may have endured through the ages. Could these remarkable findings indicate that the Megalodon sought refuge in the unexplored depths of our oceans, perhaps even venturing into the abyssal realm of the Mariana Trench? Moreover, the enigmatic presence of unexplained bite marks on marine mammals fuels speculation about the existence of a massive predator. These bite marks, surpassing the size range of known marine creatures, offer tantalizing support for the idea that the Megalodon might be responsible for these perplexing encounters. Furthermore, there have been rare, awe-inspiring accounts of large unidentified creatures sighted in the Mariana Trench. Though infrequent, these sightings have ignited the imaginations of many, evoking the possibility of hidden marvels concealed within the profound depths. Despite the compelling indicators, the scientific community remains predominantly skeptical regarding the existence of a living Megalodon. Skeptics argue that fossilized teeth could have been transported by ocean currents, potentially misleading researchers. Additionally, they propose that the enigmatic bite marks could have been caused by other marine animals, such as killer whales, which are known to inflict deep puncture wounds. Furthermore, the lack of substantial photographic or physical evidence substantiating the existence of a living Megalodon leaves ample room for scientific skepticism, prompting rigorous inquiry into the claims made by enthusiasts. The Mariana Trench, an abyssal realm shrouded in mystery, beckons us to explore its uncharted depths. Within this unfathomable expanse, countless astonishing creatures dwell, challenging our understanding of life's possibilities. These remarkable creatures have adapted to the extreme conditions of the deep sea, often defying conventional notions of biological form and function. Their existence serves as a reminder that our understanding of the ocean's depths remains in its infancy, awaiting further technological advancements to reveal its hidden wonders. Past, present, and future, 8 to 10 minutes, narrator. As we reflect on the mysteries of the deep sea, it is essential to appreciate the progress we have made in exploring our oceans. From early expeditions to the pioneering advancements of modern underwater exploration, humanity's curiosity has driven us to venture into the unknown. Yet, there is still so much left to discover. With the rapid advancement of technology, we can expect to unlock even greater insights into the secrets that lie beneath the ocean's surface. New species, unexpected ecological connections, and astounding revelations await those who dare to venture into the depths. In conclusion, the concept of a living Megalodon continues to captivate our imagination. However, the prevailing scientific consensus maintains that this magnificent species succumbed to extinction around 2.6 million years ago. Despite this, the deep sea remains an enduring frontier, brimming with untold wonders yet to be unveiled. As we continue to explore, we may encounter new species, witness remarkable adaptations, and unravel the mysteries that have eluded us thus far. Our journey into the oceans is an ongoing quest for knowledge, an endeavor that unites scientists, explorers, and enthusiasts in a shared fascination with the extraordinary world beneath the waves. Thank you for accompanying us on this extended expedition into the realm of the Megalodon and the enigmatic depths of our oceans. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe this video to receive notification of our new videos and share it to your friend. Appreciate.